Hey guys, it's Jazmine here and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you do not know who I am, I do everything from workout videos, hair care videos, skincare, and makeup videos, and school-related content. Today's video is very exciting. We are going dorm room shopping. I vlogged during the entire experience, so let's get rolling. Hey! Long time no see. My mom's about to come in the car, and we're going shopping for my dorm. We just got back from Walmart. My mom... Oops. We're doing shopping today for my dorm. Do you want to say hi, Mom?
Hi.
My colors are lavender, gold, and gray. And so yeah, come shopping with us. We're going to Target. We're here. This thing is adorable. It's calling my name, but I do not need it. We didn't find a comforter, but we found pillows and plates. Success. We are at Home Depot now. The plan is to get these lavender under the bed storages that we got last year. We need another one, so hopefully they have them again. Crossing our fingers. It's not looking good so far. Wow, I forgot how to vlog. So I got home from shopping and it's actually been a couple days because I couldn't find everything I wanted. And I ordered stuff on Amazon, so it came really fast. So here is the finished haul. As you can see, it's all like right here next to me. And I have like a week until I move in, so I'm really excited. First up, I have this new robe. I was using my mom's for a while. You can insert a video here of me wearing it. It is a Jack and Jill robe. I thought it was time to give her her robe back, so I got my own. It's gray. I got it from IKEA, and it's really big, and it's like a towel material, so it's really comfortable. Next up, I got this little couch cushion thing. It's great when you're trying to like work in your bed or just sit up in your bed for any reason. And I tried it out already and I love it. This is from Target. This is what I'm most excited about because I was kind of really sad because I couldn't find a comforter that I liked because they were all like really gross and just not my style. I found this on Amazon. It's like a very muted lavender. It kind of looks gray on camera, but I promise you it is lavender. And oh, it's being a very good lighting here. It's giving me good lighting. Anyway, so it's lavender on one side, and then let me show you the other side. It's this like printed little moment on the other side. This body pillow, I love body pillows, okay? I always sleep with one. And that one needs to be thrown out, so I got a new one. This is from Target. I got 2 lavender silk pillowcases from Amazon. A whole bunch of like plates and bowls and stuff. And these are actually from the kids section because I didn't have lavender in the adult section. I got some regular, just gray sheets. Oh, I forgot to show you. This little pillowcase came with the blanket. All right. I got some curtains because I heard that there's no like door to the closet, so I got a curtain for that. And then also my window I don't think has like proper like blinds, so that's also gonna work for that as well. I got 2 of these. This is also a must since I have my own bathroom. I have my own bathroom. I'm very excited. I don't have my own, but I'm saying like my dorm, my suite mates, we have our own bathroom. So I'm really happy about that because, ooh, I really did not want to have a communal bathroom. I just, no. This is a towel rack hanger thing. You can use this for more than just towels, but you can put anything on this thing. But yeah, a shoe rack because I have a lot of shoes. And I was in need of a floor lamp because there's terrible lighting in dorms, so I got a floor lamp. It is gold interior. And then over here in my trash can, I also got a few things. The trash can is from Walmart. This little hair wrap to dry my hair, Walmart. And then we went to a good Walmart, okay? This is how you know you went to a good Walmart, when you found this big, huge thing of curl enhancing smoothie. Like the usual bottle is this big. This is double, and it was still cheap. I was shook. I got some hair ties. These are the best hair ties if you have thick hair. I got some utensils from IKEA. Body oil. Hand sanitizer. This is also from the big Walmart, the nice Walmart. I got huge sizes of Cantu shampoo and conditioner. I got an extremely large size of Eco Styling Gel so I don't run out. And then I got my favorite curl enhancing gel thing. Ooh, I also got a new rug. This is also from Amazon. Look at the pattern. Look how beautiful it is. I did have a fuzzy rug and it's on my floor right now and it is gross. So yeah, I'm not gonna bring that to school, I don't think, unless I wash it, but I doubt that. So I got this one and it's pretty and purple. I also got a projector instead of a TV because the TVs, I don't think I'm gonna actually use it too much and they're expensive and this is cheaper. So I got a projector. It's actually on my tripod right now, so I'm not really gonna show you that right now, but it works great. And it was really cheap. Got it from Amazon. As you can see, I also got a mirror right there, and then that's actually my tripod that's right there. But yeah, that is it. That is everything I got for my dorm. If you enjoyed today's video, don't forget to give it a like and also subscribe to my channel down below for more college-related content and fashion-related content and makeup too. If you found my channel from my TikTok, definitely leave a comment down below telling me that. I would love to know that you follow me on other social media platforms, and definitely say hi. Alright, I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!